begin with a breaking update because this is a information on whatever has been happening over these multiple delegations that has now been sent across to different corners of the world. Because we have seen, as far as Congress party, including their leader and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, has now been taken on squarely as far as the government and the Prime Minister is concerned. If you remember the Narendra surrender jibe, now here is his own party leader and MP Shashi Tharoor, who has stepped in with a sharp reality check, clarifying that India never asked anyone to mediate, least of all the United States of America, in an issue which is strictly bilateral. Well, let's get in a word from Pragya, who is connected with us right now. Pragya, now this couldn't have been said in a better way and a better platform, and no less coming in from a Congress MP himself. Shashi Tharoor saying that we are envoys of a united India. Is this now a response to his own party leadership?
Absolutely, what we are seeing on a foreign soil where in fact all party leaders including Congress are strongly supporting the statement, and also the stand taken by Indian government has been reciprocated and reverberating here in domestic politics as well. And in fact this is also embarrassing for Congress, because this statement has come from none other than Congress MP. He is a senior Congress MP who is who knows the foreign policy way better than many of the politicians in Congress right now. And in fact coming that from him, which is also in stark contrast with what the politicians here in India are saying, especially Rahul Gandhi, where they're demanding why the Trump...
So Rahul Gandhi says the ceasefire understanding was made on a call by Donald Trump to the Prime Minister saying Narendra surrender. However, when it comes to his own party leader and MP, who is actually in the United States himself, is now saying that we are envoys of a united India. Thank you.